We're opening our doors to the community, to the parents, and most of all to our students who may be interested in being part of this UTRGV McAllen ISD Academy, and that will be specializing in healthcare, in engineering, and they will be getting college credit hours to the UT system. It's exciting that we have this partnership with UTRGV, and we're offering it to our students at the high school level.
It is a privilege that we are given as parents because we know how expensive university is, and for them to be able to take advantage and advance, it helps us.
The things that I think is interesting about this program is that it gives you college hours, and what I want to be when I'm older is a dermatologist, so it's going to help with those years and the money and stuff.
The thing that appeals to me most about this program is the credits that it gives me, and being part of the UTs.
What appeals to me the most is that this is a very good medical field training, and I want to be an assistant anesthesiologist, so I feel like this school would be great for that.